Morning everyone, Liliana from Vanilla and Canela here. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a clean with me at night, but I forgot to film the actual start of the intro. I thought I didn't. So this is just to let you know that it is clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and let's get into the video. So first of all, it's not dark yet. It's about 6:30. Is it 6:30? 6:15 at night, but we need the lights on. I apologize in advance for the lighting. It's all yellowy, but that's what I've got. And take a look at this. This cooker. Yep. I made spaghetti bolognese, the leftover is here, I mixed it all together. I'm going to split that probably into 2 meals and then freeze them. I also made earlier today, I had a friend come over, so I made whole orange cake. It's a little bit bitter, like there's, yeah, but it's nice, it's nice. So anyway, I digress. So, what I like doing is moving everything to that side and cleaning all of the counters and then dealing with that. This time I'm gonna start with that bit because I want to spray that drainer as well. Oh, I might do that after, I'll see. But anyway, let's get started. I'm done. Thank goodness. It's now 7:15, so it took me about an hour. Let me show you how everything looks. So tonight before I go to bed, I will put this in the freezer, still cooling down. Cooker is clean. This is just drying. I think the sink is so sparkly. That stuff was really strong and it did a good job. Got clean cloth ready for tomorrow. Sorted out the windowsill. Clean. I brushed the floors and cleaned them as well, as you guys saw. Done. And now I'm going to get Alex ready for bed. I'm going to have a bath, a shower actually, and relax for the rest of the evening. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, as always, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for more Vlogtober. Bye.